Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video I have a special video for you that will showcase 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, they're high demand, they're perfect for low content as well as medium content books, but especially low content, which is really rare nowadays to come across a niche that has ticked all the profitability metrics that is low content. So let's have a look at these 4 keywords together. And just before we get started, I'd like to remind you that if you enjoy daily videos where we reveal profitable Amazon KDP keywords on a daily basis, as well as strategies, tips and tricks to make a passive income online, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. And all of the KDP keywords that are presented here on the channel are specifically researched and carefully researched to fit the profitability metrics. And we use 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of each of the keywords, and you can find a video on the channel where we dive into the Chrome extensions that we're using right over here. It will be linked in the description box below. Just head over to the channel as well and click on the search bar, click on Chrome, and you will find it right here titled 4 Best Chrome Extensions for Amazon KDP Sellers, and it will show you how to use these Chrome extensions correctly and how to download them. Now let's get started with the first keyword for today's video, and the first keyword for today's video is attendance logbook for teachers 2023 to 2024. Now coming to the Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension, which gives us this beautiful banner right at the top below the keyword. First of all, we have a keyword niche score of 62, which is amazing. The green light right here suggests that this is a strong keyword ready to go. Also, we have a keyword niche score of number 8, which beautifully complements the 62 given by Self-Publishing Titans, and this keyword niche score is by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, and they have a keyword niche score from 1 to 9, 9 being the highest, and I'm personally happy with number 8 here. Coming to the total results that are currently sitting at 473, which is below the average of 1000, indicating a low competition as well. And the average bestseller rank is below 300,000, and it is currently averaging 168,569. We have an average reviews of 55, and the average price for this keyword is $9.48. Now, just as a quick mention here, now as of making this video, recording this video, it is the first week of October, and this video is set to be released during October. So there's no point in creating 2023 niches as of now, of course, especially when it has to do anything related to logbook, calendar, these kind of things. So do not use 2023. You can go ahead and use this by the end of 2023, this exact keyword in the 7 keyword slots, but do not use the keyword 2023 or 2024 in the title or subtitle, because you want your book to continue selling for years to come, and you don't want it to give the impression for it to be limited to a certain year number. So include this wonderful keyword right here that has great potential in one of your 7 keyword slots. That would be nice as well. You can go ahead also include it in the cover, and there's no point including 2023 in the cover now, since that we are heading towards the last 2 to 3 months of 2023. And do not include it in the title, don't include it in the subtitle, because you will not be able to change it, but utilize it in the 7 keyword slots. And as soon as 2023 has ended, go ahead and update the 7 keyword slots in order to update it with the most current keyword. Now let's have a look at the second keyword for the day. And just as a quick reminder, as a brief description, you are creating a logbook which is considered a low content book and specifically targeted for teachers, to do with attendance, to do with student attendance as well. So it will be a logbook to monitor and track and record the attention to be used for teachers. So you can go ahead and sub-niche even further to specifically create a attendance logbook for teachers that is based on the botanical theme, Bohemian. We've got a couple of aesthetic themes as well that you can also sub niche to as well for that. So and you could also sub niche according to what type of teacher is it. Is it a science teacher? Is it a maths teacher? You can also include some funny quotes in there, or some some anything to do with motivational quotes or sayings or memes to do with specific types of teachers, and the cover will also be different and set out differently according to what type of teacher you are targeting. So these are all sub niches that offer great potential as well. So the second keyword for today's video is Day Designer 2024 Planner, weekly, monthly planning calendar notes, a beautiful long tail keyword that shows all the potential for profitability. First of all, we have a keyword niche score of 84, one of the highest keyword niche scores that I've came across, green light right over here by Self-Publishing Titans, as well as the total results are currently sitting at 873, which is below 1,000. Coming to the average bestseller rank, it's sitting at 25,896, which is way below the 300,000, which is good to see as well. The average reviews are 299 and the average price is $17.13. Notice that the average price is slightly higher because of the contents of the interior, and also that some of these books, so the majority of the books that are selling under this keyword are hard covers as well, but that should not stop you. So what you're going to create, you are creating a calendar planner, a planner and a calendar that helps people set out their day, and it is going to be laid out in a weekly and monthly way, and it's specifically for 2024. So this is a great calendar type planner that will feature both day, weekly and monthly, and also offers a specific area dedicated in each page for notes. So that would be nice. It's going to be like this whole of like everything that you need to get started with your planner for 2024. So keep that in mind. And also the size does matter. The type of design does matter. You can sub niche according to what type of design. Is it bohemian? Is it vintage? Is it floral? Is it retro? And so forth. You can also sub niche according to the size. Would you like it to be a large print? Would you like it to be a pocket size, a purse size such as an 8.5 times 8.5 inches, or would you like it to be a large print to do with 8.5 times 11 inches, or would you want it to be just a desk planner, which is a 6x9 or even less as well? So that's all potential opportunities for you to sub niche and to create further niches that you can profit from as well, and offer variety for your wonderful customers. Now let's head over to the third keyword for the day, and this is Valentines 2024 Notebook. So Valentines 2024 Notebook has a total results of 291, which is really good. It is under 1,000. Also, the average bestseller rank is sitting at 190,934, which is good to see. It is below 300,000. The average reviews are currently sitting at 1,781. Now notice that the average reviews are way high compared to the total results as well, indicating that people who are purchasing anything related to Valentine's Day and specific to the year are quite engaged with the contents, and they're more willing to give ratings, to give reviews, to give feedback on the product. Also, the average price is $12.55, and we have a keyword niche score that beautifully complements this data by Amazon Scout Pro, and they have currently given us a number 7, categorizing this as a nice niche. So for this sake, I'm going to ignore the lack of a keyword niche score given by Titans, because it does not go and complement well with the data that we have right here. So use your common sense, and this is exactly why we're using a couple of Chrome extensions to compare the data and to compare the profitability, and on top of that we're using our logic and common sense to determine which of these keywords are worth our time and our energy. So you're going to be creating a notebook that is specific for Valentine's for 2024. You can also sub niche to whether you want the notebook to be given to a certain friend, a relative, a parent, a couple as well. You can sub niche according to the design of the notebook, the theme. Is it bohemian, vintage, floral, herbal, that kind of stuff, and that would also create opportunities for you. The fourth and the final keyword for today's video is Garden Journal Planner and Logbook 2024, and this is a great keyword that is quite competitive. Usually when it comes to anything related to a journal, a planner, a logbook, it is quite competitive. So bear in mind that it is specifically for 2024, and it is a garden related, so there's going to be a lot of botanical themes in there. There's going to be flowers, there's going to be herbs, there's going to be some plants and greenery as well. So it's going to be mainly a greenery design where it would be both a journal, a planner, and a logbook all in one, specifically for 2024. So it would be wise to have a calendar for 2024 in there as well to help. Now, whether you decide to set it out in a monthly, in a daily, in a weekly way, it's all up to you, but it's always important to over deliver. So because it is a specific to garden, you might want to create one for gardeners where you would have some fun facts about gardening, a page or two that's dedicated to what to garden or what to plant specific to the months of the year, the quarter of the year as well. Some hacks to do with gardening, information that are weaved inside the journal, inside the logbook about the easiest plants and the easiest vegetables and fruits to garden. I'm sure you'll make it out to be really entertaining and interactive, and also beneficial for those beautiful gardeners out there. And it has a keyword niche score of 50, which is good to see, and a keyword niche score of 7 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension that can be accessed in the bottom corner below. Number 7 complements well with 50 by Titan's Chrome extension. Also, coming to the total results, we have them sitting at 141, which is below the 1000 that we're looking for. The average bestseller rank is currently averaging 675,833, and yes, I do hear it is quite high, but there is way for you to sub niche accordingly and break through that bestseller rank being in the 600,000. So as we talked about, you could sub niche according to whether you want to create it specifically for gardeners, whether you want to create it specifically for example, stay-at-home mums, working mums, students as well, whether you want to add in and weave in that element to that of educational and interactive, specifically providing information about gardening for 2024 and weaving in information regarding the best types of crops to plant, the seeds and so forth. We have the average reviews of 258 and the average price of $10.41. We've come towards the end of our video. We talked about the 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords. I wish you all the best. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.